Assalamu alaikum. Greetings, my beautiful family. We have our recipe of the day. We are going to prepare our donuts. Here are some few ingredients which we are going to use. We have milk, eggs, sugar, there is yeast and wheat flour. So let's prepare our donut. We are going to bake our donut using our sand oven. So stay tuned and watch this video until the end. Happy new month to you all. We've added 1 spoon of yeast. We are going to add in some sugar. It depends on the amount of donut you want to make. So as we are making 1 kg of wheat flour. So this is our mixture: milk and yeast plus sugar. We've added some cooking oil. This is our milk, our eggs. Let's add in some wheat flour to our mixture. So we are kneading our dough for our donuts. We are going to bake our donuts, not fried donut, it's baked donut. So let's prepare our donut for the day. So our dough is now ready. We are going to keep it for 1 hour. Then after, we will be baking our donuts. We are blessed with the rain today. It's raining. You can see our dough is now ready. Let's prepare our donuts. We are going to prepare our donuts. Very soft donuts. We are going to bake our donut using our charcoal stove with our sand. Our oven is here doing a great job, please. We are just going to enjoy our donuts. As you can see, our donuts are here cooking. No electricity, but we need to enjoy also ourselves with different recipes. Today we've decided to show you how to bake a donut using sand and charcoal stove. So as you can see, our donuts are almost ready. We've used around 20 minutes. Our oven is doing a great job. Let's enjoy our coffee time. We have another batch here. So our first batch is here. So we are going to add in another batch, please. Oven is doing a great job. Let's prepare our baked donuts. So this is our second batch. Our first batch is ready. Let's have this second one. There are enough.
Baby.
We have another batch here.
Yeah.
So this is our second batch. Our first batch is ready. Let's have this second one. There are enough.
Baby.
So our second batch is also here. It's also cooking well. So our second batch is also ready, please. As you can see, our oven has done a great job. So we are remaining with one batch. We are remaining with one process of cooking our donut. We are going to coat our donut with coconut. Not coconut, it's cocoa. So we have here our cocoa. We are going to coat our donuts with cocoa. I think you have seen. Just watch our video. It's a simple process. You take your time and you enjoy different recipes for the day. Let's enjoy. Our coffee is now ready. So thank you for staying with us. Let's go to another phase of cooking these donuts. We are going to coat our donut with cocoa powder. Let's make it. Here is our outcome, please. We are going to make another step of chocolate. We have our cocoa powder. There is sugar and milk. Only 3 ingredients to make our chocolate. We are going to coat our donuts with chocolate. Yeah. Yeah, why you did that? Our chocolate is now ready. Let's cut our donut, please. Stay tuned. Watch our video. Watch our video until the end. This is the end results of preparing our donuts. Okay, thank you for staying with us. Thank you for watching. This is how we are going to enjoy our donuts, please. Our donuts are now ready. Our coffee is ready. Come, we enjoy together. Coated donuts. These are not coated. See you in the next video. Bye-bye. Okay, thank you for staying with us. Thank you for watching. This is how we are going to enjoy our donuts, please. Our donuts are now ready. Our coffee is ready. Come, we enjoy together. Coated donuts. These are not coated. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.